Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, this is me naseerkhankhel. How to use debit and credit account in Excel. Suppose we have serial number, date, description, credit, debit and balance. First of all, insert serial number. Just type 1 and press enter. Now press Ctrl key and click and drag it for increase serial number. Serial number suppose 31. Next column is date. Type date here. Suppose 1/1/2023. This is first date. Now click and drag date according to serial number. Next column is description. In description you will type detail of debit or credit. Income is here for debit. Income, type debit, suppose 25,000. Now next in the balance column equal to and click on debit, press enter. Next suppose we have some expenses. Type expenses, press tab and here in the credit column type amount, suppose 20,000. Now in the balance column type formula equal to previous balance plus debit minus credit and press enter. Now drag the formula for the whole month. Now you can use this sheet for the whole month. Income, suppose income 33,000, press enter. Next suppose income 40,000, press enter. Next expense will be typed in credit column, suppose 55,000, press enter. Next expense, next income, type income here 50,000. You can see the balance is calculated automatically. Now in the last row select the 3 cells, merge and center, type total, press tab, apply some formula equal to sum, open bracket and select the debit record, press enter. Now drag formula to the right side. For credit, now type here a new formula equal to debit minus credit, press enter. You can see both the values are same. It means that our credit and debit ledger sheet is correct. Thanks for watching.
दोस्तों अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ना किया हो तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और साथ ही बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें और हर वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन से बाखबर रहेंगे।